Welcome to the PC Error Detective channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix white or black border on PC screen display. So if you notice a black border around your monitor, the first step to fix this is to open the start menu, then type settings into the search bar and open it. From the options on the left, click on system. Now click on display. Next to the skill option, make sure it's set to the recommended percentage for your device. For example, in my case it's 22 or 100%. At the same time, make sure your display resolution is also set to the recommended value. Next, scroll down and click on advanced display. Click the drop down arrow and select specific display that's having the issue. Then click on display adapter properties for display. When the new window opens, click on the monitor tab. If you have the monitor option, change to refresh rate here. Select the highest available refresh rate. After selecting it, click apply, then OK. If you don't see the refresh rate option here, go back to the previous window. Here it says choose the refresh rate. Click the drop down arrow next to it and select the highest available gigahertz value. So friends, it's really that simple. Let me know in the comments if this helped you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.